Right now I'm at the supermarket to buy some ice because we have another sunset boat tour today. Looking forward to it. And every day on the island is a special day in paradise, but I feel like the sunset boat tour days are extra special, so I'm taking you with us so it hopefully feels like you're there with us. Here.
Oh my God, this is do a gainer. I want to hit something.
Reaching out,
Touching me, I'm touching you. Sweet Caroline, oh, oh, oh. Good times never seem so good. So good, so good, so good. I can't find, oh, oh, oh.
Goes out to the man on the street. Sir, can you help me? It's cold, I got nowhere to sleep. Is somewhere you could help me? He walks on, doesn't look back. He pretends he can't hear her. Starts to whistle as he crosses the street. Seems embarrassed to be there. Think twice, 'cause it's another day for you and me in paradise. Oh, think twice, 'cause it's another day for you and me in paradise. Just think about it. Goes out to the man on the street. He can see she's been crying. She got blisters on the soles of her feet.